Lethbridge College offers 2 apprenticeships related to welding. One of them is a regular welding apprenticeship and the other is a wire process operator apprenticeship. Both apprenticeships offer the same career opportunities and the same courses. 8 to 12 weeks of classroom training is needed each year in order to graduate. 1,500 hours are needed for the first period of technical training. For the second period, 1,800 hours of work experience is needed. After those hours are completed and they have passed all their exams, students are eligible to receive their journeyman certificate. An instructor in the program, Donnie Charlebois, teaches first-year theory, first-year oxyacetylene cutting, and third-year TIG welding process.
For the first-year theory, take applications to the safety and the cutting processes and the torch setups. And then for our third-year TIG welding, it's a GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding.
Charlebois believes that welding is an important job because it's involved in agriculture, the oil industry, and infrastructure. A third-year student in the program, Justin Nicholson, really likes his instructors.
I'd have to say like the teachers themselves, like Dave Hines or Pat Bajorn, even Donnie, like they're all really good. They're very personable guys, and it makes coming here a little bit easier and takes some of the stress off you, that's for sure. So.
After he graduates from the program, Nicholson would like to do pipeline construction or work in the service rigs. Opportunities for welders is expected to grow by 3% by 2029. Welders are going to be needed to rebuild bridges, highways, and buildings. The welding program is an apprenticeship through Alberta Innovation and Advanced Education. Sylvia Adam, E! News.